Good morning, K. Shepherd Elementary. Today is Friday, January 20th, 2023. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. You may be seated. Today's breakfast: apple fritter, chicken nuggets, sausage links, juice of choice, and fruit of choice. Today's lunch: turkey sub, broccoli, french fries, cookie, fruit choice, juice choice. Today's weather: high of 65, low of 48, mostly cloudy, and 4% chance of rain. Today's birthdays: Ethan, Dylan. Today's announcements: cafeteria. Thank you for teaching, modeling, and enforcing the expectations in the cafe. The noise levels are much better. Please continue to use the cup system. Remind students of our uniform policy, particularly outerwear and shoes. Only school-approved outerwear should be worn once they are inside the building. Jackets and sweatshirts should be a solid color: gray, blue, or black. Hoodies are not an approved uniform option. Please make sure students are wearing solid color sweatshirts or jackets in compliance with the uniform policy. ACAP. Students, the ACAP will take place in a few weeks. This is our time to get into testing mode and practice to do our best. Important dates: January 20th, 100th day of school; January 27th, honor walk; January 30th, faculty meeting; February 20th to 24th, Mardi Gras break; and March 7th, spring pictures. Send us your questions. Are you curious about something? Well, you can submit questions to the question box that will be located in the library. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday.